Hello, this is the source. I will be presenting for the show writing assignment argument. This is the link for the article. I will open this article now here. The title is Measles and Refugees Challenges, Efforts, and Recommendations. This is where I summarize my source and I got my quote from. Uh, we know what is happening in Afghanistan. Since the Taliban occupied the whole country, the military has been surrendered, and everybody's scared of their safety. So Americans and other G7 leaders, they occupied a lot of Afghans, their personnel and other public people through the uh, Hamid Karzai International Airport. Uh, they did this for 15 days and occupied 70,000 people. And some of these Afghans, they lost their safety and health. But when they come back to the United States, the US helped them be vaccinated. The CDC Control Center take care of their health and provides housing and money. The reason I am working on it, because this source talks about the health and safety of Afghan evacuees in 2021. The reason I'm working on it is that I want the public and student to know why the US went and evacuated their embassy personnel and other public people. I want these students and public people to know how important it is for the government to know how important it is to have institutions to promote health and safety of its people. Uh, the whatever is happening, the unsafety reasons and the healthy people, since they have been displacing from one place to another place with no employment, no job, nobody's taking care of them, but their only hope is the United States because they were the one who helped them at the beginning, and they're the one who is helping them now. And a lot of Afghan people have been evacuated to the United States, and they're pretty happy about their health and safety. And this source right here, it says CDC control and other humanitarian aid was inclined to help to what was happening to the Afghan refugee families in camps and the US during 2021 and 2022. Nothing has been wrong since then. All the people, the Afghans, the ones that were immigrants, Aslam, SIVs. The SIVs were people who worked for the government, and other public people, they just came in and came to the United States. I don't know how, but it's good they got off a bad place and came to a good place. So I will be working on my later project and showing how important it is to have health and safety uh, institutions in the United States and all over around the country. Thank you. That will be it.